The quantum nature of photosynthesis. Plants across our planet perform a remarkable feat every day that may rely on quantum mechanics. Photosynthesis, the process that converts sunlight into usable energy, operates with an efficiency that has puzzled scientists for decades. The question emerges, have plants been using quantum computing principles to harvest sunlight for billions of years? Photosynthesis stands as perhaps the most fundamental biological process on Earth. Without it, the oxygen-rich atmosphere that supports animal life wouldn't exist. Plants convert incoming sunlight to chemical energy with efficiency rates approaching 95% in the initial energy transfer steps. This level of efficiency exceeds what human-engineered solar panels can achieve, which typically convert only 15 to 20% of sunlight into electricity. For most of scientific history, researchers understood photosynthesis through classical physics models. The dominant theory, known as force-through-resonance energy transfer, FRET, explained how energy moves from molecule to molecule when a chlorophyll molecule absorbs a photon of light. While this model explained basic observations, it couldn't account for the extraordinary efficiency rates. Classical physics predicted far more energy loss as heat during these transfers than what scientists observed. This efficiency puzzle led researchers to suspect something beyond classical physics must be happening. Plants somehow avoid the random, wasteful pathways that energy would typically take. It was as if the energy identified the most efficient path rather than bouncing around randomly. In 2007, a groundbreaking nature study provided evidence challenging the classical understanding. Scientists studying the phenomenon of Matthews-Olsen, FMO, complex in green sulfur bacteria discovered something extraordinary. This protein complex serves as a molecular wire conducting energy from light-gathering antennas to the reaction center where chemical conversion occurs. The FMO complex consists of 3 identical protein subunits, each containing 8 precisely arranged bacteria chlorophyll molecules. These molecules form a molecular circuit board with their specific positioning critical for the quantum effects that researchers discovered. The study revealed that excited energy states in the FMO complex didn't simply hop sequentially from molecule to molecule. Instead, the energy existed in multiple locations simultaneously, a phenomenon called quantum coherence. This mirrors quantum behavior that enables quantum computers, where quantum bits exist in multiple states simultaneously rather than just binary 0 or 1. Using femtosecond multidimensional spectroscopy, employing incredibly short laser pulses, researchers tracked nearly instantaneous energy movements. These experiments revealed quantum beating, oscillations indicating quantum coherence. Remarkably, this coherence persisted for up to 660 femtoseconds at room temperature, far longer than theories predicted possible in biological environments. The energy in photosynthesis behaves like a driver who can test all possible routes on a highway simultaneously before instantly materializing on the fastest path. Rather than trying each path sequentially like classical navigation, the energy wave explores all paths in parallel before selecting the optimal route, essentially performing a quantum computation to maximize efficiency. What makes this discovery astonishing is that quantum coherence was thought to require highly controlled environments, near absolute zero temperatures in a vacuum. Biological systems with their warm, wet, constantly moving molecules seemed incompatible with quantum effects. Yet, evidence shows the protein structure might actually protect and enhance these quantum effects rather than destroying them. The protein scaffold vibrations appear tuned to the right frequencies to support quantum coherence. Imagine an orchestra where molecular vibrations play in perfect harmony, creating a protective environment for quantum processes rather than disrupting them. Evolution seems to have optimized these proteins for both their chemical and quantum mechanical properties. Similar quantum phenomena have been observed in various photosynthetic complexes across different species, from ancient cyanobacteria to modern plants. This suggests quantum mechanics is a widespread strategy in nature for efficient energy capture and transfer. These discoveries have sparked new research directions in both quantum physics and biology. Engineers now study these natural quantum systems to design better solar cells and energy technologies. If we can replicate nature's quantum methods, we might develop artificial photosynthesis systems with similarly high efficiency. The discovery of quantum effects in photosynthesis challenges our understanding of evolution. Has natural selection been optimizing quantum processes for billions of years, long before humans understood quantum mechanics existed? This finding breaks down the conceptual barrier between quantum and biological worlds. The warm, wet environment of living cells no longer seems incompatible with quantum effects. This insight has opened investigations into other potential quantum phenomena in biology, from enzyme catalysis to DNA mutation mechanisms. The quantum nature of photosynthesis suggests life may be intrinsically quantum mechanical at its core. Plants haven't been using an analog of quantum computing, they've been performing actual quantum computations in their cells for billions of years.